Sweet. We will have some afternoon. No, is that
homework? What is your Auntie Teri doing?
I don't know. She's not something.
Let me say she should help you with your homework.
Okay, Mom. Auntie, can you please help me with my homework?
Hey, okay. How are you doing it?
Write the opposite of these words. Number 1, I'm going to school.
I stay in house.
Seriously? Don't worry. Number 2, come here.
Staying there.
Jeez. Number 3, sit here.
Standing here.
Huh? Let me take it to my room. Don't worry.
So I'm getting this thing or not?
Yeah, make we go. Yeah, they don't break you. Yeah, make we go. Yeah, hungry day. Yeah, they don't break you. Yeah, make we go.
Craig, because shutting it up.
Teri Teri.
Taking your food, Biko.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat.
Eh?
I'll say I don't want to eat.
I bring in food now. You know me, you know want eat it. I taking it back. Taking it now.
See, I don't know what you carry for mine. Eh? Small lie when person lie for you for village. Small lie. Not be say I won't lie rich politician no. Small lie. Eh? Now you the best since. Eh? If you don't even poison me.
Because shutting it. What you calling small lie? You calling that big lie small lie or where? You calling it small lie or where? You telling me in a room with the presidential? Okay, here, Guarama. Okay, here, Guarama.
See.
Was it not what you told at me? Now you calling it small lie.
Hi.
Only for me to come, but you're gonna get it. You calling it small lie.
Teri, wait, ma tell you. See, now who they pay you? Now be your president. Eh? Oga Obi and the wife. Now they be my president. This house. Now be my Aso Rock. So, don't be saying
Shutting it because can we hear? You can write. Okay. So why you telling me you be CSO and I saluting you, I respecting you, thinking me with issue? Why you telling me like that?
CSO now be Chief Security Officer. Now you not ask me what you mean CSO.
Thank you. Cray. You meaning seku. You are not explaining can what your former. You taking another thing now wasn't to my brain or where can we can cover respect or where? So why are taking your food?
I said I don't want to eat.
I'm taking it back home.
They go now. I said I don't want. Teri.
Cray.
I bring that.
But you saying he does not want to eat it now. You chugging it. You want to eat it now, where?
Bring them now. Bring them.
Oh, you're awful.
This thing where you every time they tell me awful. You awful too.
I'm talking it for people like you. Talking it, I'm running it from Madam and Donga. Awful. Because taking it, you can see about Brian. Awful.
Oh, Jesus, you see when they bring them more. I cover it with the blood. Blood. Oh, blood. Anything I'm gonna give me.
Giving it to me.
Teri, I dey pray before I eat. Teri, I dey pray before I eat.
It will fight in me, but Ubracha the white in we pere achikoro ngwa go down, achikoro kukuruega and say you went away hey mini hey what is it happening? You burning like this, dirty one.
I need noodles.
Oh! That's why you burning like this, or don't know, you for telling me can't you tell me some of you need it. What's a period? Let me get it. A period, what a period? But let me go and get it. You know, how would they not do so?
Welcome back, Mom.
Sweetheart. How are you today?
Fine, Mom.
You look hungry. Have you eaten today? What did you eat?
I thought that she didn't prepare this for me.
Did she prepare it?
Yes.
Okay. So how was it today?
Fine, Mom.
Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, you're back already.
Yes.
Are you done preparing the noodles? Mini, take it easy. What is this? It's a needle. She asking it. Take it back. Take it back. Mom, Mini asking it. What taking it? I'm bringing it already. Take it back. Are you crazy? Look at this thing. What Mini? You shut up. Zip it. How could you bring this to my child? By noodles, she means Indomie. When planet did you come out from this game? It's so awful. Oh God, I can't deal. This is too much for me. Forgiveness me. I am a awful. But she, Mini, you're not coagulating it off because she's telling me not to have noodles. That is why I go and bring it. Take that away. Oh jeez. Explaining her, you telling me noodles.
I said noodles. Noodles.
Super. Forgiveness me, I know you need to. I forgot! Cook the Indomie. Come back here. Give me just 5 minutes. 5 minutes to prepare the Indomie. Else! Tango, shoo! Out! Serious. Oh God. She's so terrible. What kind of... Oh God. Mr. and Mrs. Robinsons. The stove is not wanting to on anymore. I tried it, and I on a wish. Can you help me? Can we get maybe the Indomie and say so?
It's not a stove, it's a gas cooker.
Mr. and Mrs. Robinsons, the gas cooker is Okwero. Please go to me, okay? Let's know if there's snacks and the juice there, so you can eat something, okay? Be careful. You're just a moron. That's what you are. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. But if you try to on it, I appreciate it. So I can make the noodles for
You get as they do me. You go window. You get as they do. One day I go just release my album. After all, this country they know the right song before it go come out. Borogoto. Bo. Who be that? Hey. Welcome. Fine, though.
Thank you.
Who you dey look for? Say, Morgan?
yes.
Morgan not there. He not there. Can be if I short. I be like who drink. Morgan not there. Oh, madam there. You want see her?
Don't worry. But when Oga comes back.
Okay, I go tell her. Okay.
The crazy when I go forget. You won't find like this. I mean, you are going to proud today. Hey! You got the job better thing. Yeah? I got job this one plus madam now die. How this man want to go and fire? Yeah? I want to go and fire. Yeah? If you dare fire, say they think of this one, think of madam. You not go fix the fire now. You go meet God. Say, God, bring one for me. Bring one.
Why nothing?
My mom said you should warm the sweet freezer. She wants to eat yam with it.
Okay, I warming it. Now, we're bringing it to school.
No, not warming. That you should warm it.
So, Badro, come and be a going. Oh, I am bringing it. Why are you laughing? What is that reason?
It's not come and be gone. You can leave.
You can leave.
It's not you can leave. You can leave.
You can leave. Huh?
Say it.
You can leave. You know banana.
Me?
No, you can leave. You can leave. You can leave then you go.
You speak vernacular. I'll tell my name.
Hey! Really?
Everybody just stop calling me baby. Now tell me what you told me on phone was a joke.
What? Is it the fact that I missed you? Or the fact that I went to your house and I didn't see you?
How dare you come to my house without my consent?
But this
What were you thinking about?
This is October, baby.
And so what?
I thought your wife normally goes on official trip at the beginning of each quarter of the year.
What does that have to do with you? Huh? See, I have told you time with that number. I am not interested. Get that into your skull. Get that into your head.
Stop! Will you stop behaving like a child? And act like a man you are? Why are you doing this to me?
And here comes a jolly good fella. Chief Security Officer, Axwell for Kawasiation. Oh, yeah. For this house, why they tell you, not only when singly, none of the
Madam Robbie?
What is it, Cletus? I didn't ask you to come.
I never greet you, sef. Good afternoon, ma. Madam Robbie?
What is wrong with you and Terry in this house? I'm not Madam Lobby. I'm Mrs. Robinson with an R.
Oh, okay. Madam Robbie, make we just leave her like that. See?
And why are you wasting my time?
You get waiting. I want to tell you, I beg. I say make I know whether you go fee borrow me small money. Ma uncle.
You want me to borrow you money? Okay. It's not up to 10 days my husband paid you your salary. What did you do with it?
Madam, you know say man they hustle. As the money they come, that's why they go. As they come, that's why they go. So, now you take it.
Hold it. By hustling, you mean gambling, yeah?
Ah!
Obviously, you do nothing useful with your money. And you can't tell me that you eat with your money because we feed you in this house. So what do you do with your money?
Madam, see, you know say that food own. It dey come for morning, come for evening. That middle time of afternoon, when sun don't beat me well. Now that time they need food though. And they take my money buy food. And I they buy up well. And they buy up well. So it dey reduce the money.
Zip it.
Hey.
Listen to me. I don't have any money to give you. A word of advice for you. Don't even try to bring this subject up where my husband is. Don't try it. If you still want to keep your job as a business lady.
Here comes a jolly good fella. Mr. Cletus, the very CSO, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for Kawasiation. Oh, yeah. For this house,
You mean useless with your pepper hairstyle. I mean, this waka wey dey waka now, and my work, which one useless pass? Me useless. Useless person, the guy, this guy fine house. Now you say people when they the house, useless. Me, useless. Owner of the house, useless. Small thing when I beg. And Jesus come, die for all of us. Only small borrow. I'm not even say dash. Now
here comes a jolly good fella. Mr. Cletus, the very CSO, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for Kawasiation. Oh, yeah. For this house, why they tell you, not only wins in you, none of the luck.
Where is this boy? Where is this idiot? Cletus! Cletus! Come here!
Oga Lobby! Oga, how you the entire compound?
Will you shut up your mouth? Eh? Are you asking me
Oga Lobby?
how I gain entrance into my own compound? Is something wrong with you?
No.
I asked you to guard my compound and you went behind the building doing what? With the gate open?
Oh, Oga Lobby.
Hey, come on, shut up! Go open the gate for me!
Hey, wait, Oga. You get one fine girl, one fine you come today. Fine girl. The girl fine well. But I not let her enter because Madam did. I not let her enter.
Listen to me. I don't want to hear that. You let any girl pass beyond this gate. Are you hearing me? Not to talk of seeing my wife.
I got let her breathe.
Good. I'll get the gate. Open the gate! Hurry!
To teach you English language, okay? Now, number one, make a sentence with your name.
Okay. I am a Teri Teri. I'm making it sentence.
No. My name is Teresa. Say.
My name is a.
No,
Teresa.
not an A. My name is Teresa. Don't put A.
My name is Teresa.
Now make a sentence with this.
This is a mini animal.
Seriously?
With the seriousness, no? This is a animal. Animal free here. This is a animal now. This is a man animal. Then no more animal. So if I'm making it a sentence, it is a meme animal.
It's not an animal, it's a teddy bear. Because it's not a living thing.
Eh?
Yeah, it's not a living thing.
Teddy
bear.
Oh, Teri bear.
Teddy. Yes.
Hi. Okay, now mini. You knowing what is current Ufu?
No.
I catching you, Nanka. I telling myself, you just give me one nothing. I getting this one. So right now we are getting it. You getting two, I getting one. So you not knowing Ufu? Okay? You not knowing Ufu that your mother telling me every time, oh Teri Teri, you are Ufu, and your father talking it again. Teri Teri, you are Ufu, and you not knowing it.
You mean awful?
That means you're getting everything. You are teaching me more. I'm teaching me.
Make a sentence with.
And here comes a jolly good fella. Oh, one Mr. Courageous.
Madam.
Where is Teri?
Teri. Now you send Teri go market now.
But she ought to be back by now. Could it be that she lost her way or something?
Ah, no. Teri go lost. Enough he lost. Not be the first time when he go market with this now.
My point exactly. Anyway, take this money. Go to that supermarket over there. Get me a place. Hurry.
Madam, the cornflakes, na cooked one or na raw one?
Buy boiled one.
High five.
No, Dad.
You hear what you can't do? Huh? Okay, go inside, meet and sit with things, okay? I thought you were my friend. Smile. That's my girl.
And after that, you go upstairs and have your siesta.
Okay, Mom.
Alright, now. I love you.
Careful.
Yeah. Excuse me. And she's looking so much like her mother.
For real?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Full of village, landing Teri. Shaping out Winston English, Teri did. Abulu Winston English, say yes, so somebody do what out for. Oops, I mean, Ufu, Teri no the thief, Teri no good person. Teri did what sharp, but in English now. Teri go down, Upulota, Upulagan, Teri am a English, man on a water. Somebody want killing English, Teri. Somebody I see the misery, don't pass here. I beg you, not your head. Somebody dance back English.
What is happening here? What are you doing? What is it? I'm sorry. What is wrong with you? It is this boy. I come in here to buy something. After me buying something, I tell him to give me my change. He calling me illiterate. I beaten him with blue and black.
Madam, I paid her money complete.
Instead of going, you not paying me anything because you want to cheat in me. What is wrong with you? What is going on? Because of your boy, my madam is slapping me.
Why are you shutting my customers now? In my own supermarket?
I gave her money complete. She started beating me.
Shutting it to because shutting it to you not giving me my money because I buying something here. I telling you to giving me my change. Now what am I shut? Will you shut up? Madam, we are so sorry.
Come on, say sorry to them. Sorry, say sorry. Say sorry.
I tell you what I English. Tell you don't have my English. I see the misery, don't pass here. I bet you not your head. Somebody dance back English. No go and shut for this one.
I don't know why you keep disgracing me. I don't know why you keep. What is wrong with you, Teresa? What is wrong with you? You're so important. You're so terrible. I'm just tired of you. You irritate me. Oh God. Can you imagine this kind of embarrassment with? Oh God. Which planet did you come out from?
Mr. and Mrs. Lowe. I did so. You go 1 minute. I come.
What kind of human being is this? God, why are you punishing me with this girl?
Chris, I need your help. It is an urgent need. How Yoruba people talking?
Yoruba?
We want to talk in English. How we talking it?
Okay. It's not hard though. First, you open your mouth. I'm coming. Where are you going? You are doing it. It's not like that.
It has to. How Hausa people talking it?
Hausa, that one too. Hausa people, their problem is, I just say if they won't curse you, they go curse themselves.
Like you want to speak in it English in Hausa.
They will tell you, K, the Chris, the money, know they see, you must be very, very stupid. K, shake it.
Okay, K, the man, the Chris, you must very, very stupid.
You complete with K, shake.
And I want him to talk in Yoruba.
God bless you. God bless you. I going.
Finish.
Yes.
Because I going inside.
No way, we won't use Yoruba and Hausa language. They cause problem again.
She keeps embarrassing me. She keeps.
Madam. Madam. I sorry me. Sorry. Madam.
What does that supposed to mean?
Madam, I'm trying to make it Yorubatic. Maka, you complain that I'm making it Igbotic too much. Njeju tell to making it Yorubatic for you go be the you not liking it. Kai, madam. Well, I tell you, my brain is disconnected. Now I want to connect my brain, madam. I sorry. Forgive me. I want to connect it now. I connect it and not misbehave again. Shenge, madam. Banka, madam.
You're very stupid. You are an idiot. You shaggy. You waka. Foolish thing. Get out of my sight.
Madam, sorry. As I don't talk Igbotic, talk of Satik, talk Yorubatic, you know, like I make a quite bomtic for you. And it's sorry, she fight, why fight for that place, and no be me because I'm because now the boy you can looking for my trouble.
Leave my sight this minute. Get out!
Madam, I don't want you to get in angry now. You're finding too much. I don't want you because before you know it, you're sacking me. I told me okay, Madam, soon down one chana. Out! Get out! Madam, let me making a Chinese stick for you. It's only Igbo stick, it's only Yoruba stick, it's only Hausa stick. Calabar stick, I'm making a Chinese stick.
Do you want me to strangle you? Do you want me to strangle you? Get out of my sight! Get out! Soon down one chana. What kind of stupid? What kind of?
Teri. What's happen now? This one you just sit down like say you don't dey work for.
Talking to me not. Talking to me not.
Morning
Curry me not. You're seeing it. I'm not in a happening mood. Because happen.
What's happen now? Oh yeah, calm down. Tell me, what's happen? This one you dey cry. What's happen?
Mrs. Robinson talking say she go sacking me for here.
Hey! You don't read with that too. What do you do? Eh?
I'm not doing anything.
No. You better say you tell me true now. Man know how I want to help you. What do you do?
She talking that I cannot talk in good English. Because of that she has to sacking me.
Okay. Now what it cause am? See, I don't first tell you say, when you come, make I teach you Queen's English. Eh? Queen's English.
Because shorten it can mean Queen's English. Me, I speaking good English, but you since when you come in here, even for village, is it not pidgin you speaking? You speaking good English.
Okay, so what do you come on do now? Tell me. What do you come on do now?
It is a confusion because I know in it that now if you go in Obodo Igbo, they cannot tell you to go in back because you cannot speak in Igbo. Because they cannot speak in Igbo for Obodo Igbo. But here, Madam Igbo, Oga Igbo, they are telling me that I going back to village because I cannot speak in English. Obiwu, English or our language, is it our father tongue? I not knowing it. I cannot go and kill myself and go in and die.
Okay, see, but you go find what you go do, because for say you buy notebook, ma they write some of the Queen's English. May you they learn Queen's English, so that this problem will stop. But no problem. Since you get the solution, and now you get the problem, and now you did the department of problem. Good for your hand. Sorry.
Leave me alone, Pico.
Chief Security Officer, Axwell for conversation. For this house, why they tell you, not only Queen's English, none of the
Welcome.
Let's go inside.
What is he doing in your house?
Cletus. He's my gate man.
You mean he's your gate man?
Oh, you didn't see him the last time you were here because I sent him on an errand.
Any problem? No problem. No problem. My bad.
No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Mama,
Don't worry. Mama, don't worry. Relax. You're in my house. Don't worry. Relax.
Let's go inside.
Yeah?
See, last time Mrs. Robinson. And here comes a jolly good fella. Mr. Cletus, the very CSO, Chief Security Officer, acts well for conversation.
My daughter, how has it been with you and my child? She called me.
Yes, I was the one that asked her to call you because I'm no longer happy with her.
Why? What did she do? Please forgive her. Forgive her, please.
Teresa is so annoying.
Hey.
The one that pisses me off is her English. Her English is so awful. She speaks and she does weird things. She irritates me. How she does. Mama, where did she come out from? Which planet did she come out from?
Calm down.
Seriously, I can no longer take it. I can no longer take it. She irritates me. Seriously. Seriously, she needs to go.
I told you my daughter just finished only elementary school.
Hey. No, you didn't say that. You told me that she went to secondary school. Yes.
Please, I am sorry. I am sorry I lied. I am sorry. Please forgive me and forgive my daughter. Please. The truth is that she did not receive a good education. You have to bear with her, please.
Seriously?
Yes, please.
I accepted to help your daughter even when I know nothing about her, even when I'm not related to her, and you couldn't tell me the truth? Just a simple truth? Seriously, Mama, that was the least you could do.
Forgive me. I am begging you. Forgive me. For my child, please forgive me and forgive my daughter. Please, do not throw her out. I am begging you, please. Mom, Biko, Mom. I am begging you, please.
I've heard you. But the truth is that my husband is very angry with her. Very, very angry. That means her stay in this house is gradually coming to an end.
Hi.
Yes. Unless she improves and starts speaking good, impeccable English, especially to my child. I'm sorry about that, Mama, but there's nothing I can do. I'm not the owner of this house. Once my husband makes that decision, straight up, I'll bring her to you in the village. That's all. I've tried my best. I've tried my best. There's nothing I can do. I've had it up to her. Jeez, you know she behaves like a bush girl. Her English, oh jeez, I can't deal. Seriously, I can't deal.
Please forgive her now. Okay, I will talk to her. Please. Mom, Biko. Oh.
Like I said, she will have to improve. Else, I'll bring her back to the village.
She will.
Straight.
Mr. Mrs. Robinsons.
You heard that? Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. You heard her. You better talk to her. Else, I'm bringing her back to the village. There's nothing I can do about it.
Biko, forgiveness me, Biko. I really need it small. I not really made it in the village before, but here I can run it.
Oh, God.
Don't chasing me back, Biko. I'm begging you. My papa is dying already. My mama is not.
Can you just go back to the kitchen? Can you just...
Somebody do what out for. I mean,
I trying my best because I cannot come and kill him myself because of you by trying my best.
Can't you see that your best is not good enough?
I cannot kill him myself because of English. I cannot kill him myself. I cannot. Since I come in this house, I'm not stealing anything. I'm not insulting Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. I'm working for them very well.
Shut up your mouth.
let me tell you, there is no way you will compare this place to the village. If you want to come to the village to suffer, you are welcome.
Hey, I'm not coming to the village, or I can only stay in here. I rent it small, but I cannot die in Makoyibo. Even if I die in Makoyibo, going in heaven, God will vex me for me.
You see, if you had listened to me, by now you would have finished your secondary school. Let me just tell you, it's better you start learning how to speak good English, because as I look at you, see your sack letter. Yes, so very soon now they will just bundle you back.
You're praying second, but since I walk in here and giving you money now, you're praying.
Your madam said so. Mama,
Mr. and Mrs. Lovins, I hear it.
Eh? Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. Morning, sir. Madam. Good morning, ma.
And your mother should bear with my daughter, please. I am begging you, people.
No problem.
It's okay, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Where's Cletus? Get the gate. Aha. Let's go. I'm coming, yo. Hey.
Somebody do what out. I mean, Teri no the thief, Teri no good person. Teri di kwa sharp, but behind the rich now.
Namo! Injebe do kwa o.
Madam. Madam.
What? Yes.
Madam, I'm here. Where you go? Madam. Abeg, this your cloth. You know that musician, Arukeli, when sing, I've been winning, check and fly. I've been winning, check and fly. Now in hand you buy them.
Come on, baby.
You're doing nonsense. You're doing nonsense. Before you know it, they're sacking you. You've wrapped my share back for. Don't shorten it. Come back,
Hey, that be your own. Now your mama tell you say they don't sign just now. They don't put full stop for your own.
You bringing up, I taking it. Also for oops, I mean oof. Teri give English, uppercut to we sing English. Teri go down. Teri am a English, somebody want kill English. Somebody want finish English. I Teri slaughter English. Teri don't hammer English. I see you beside, don't bite.
How are you? Good to see you.
Robert,
Yeah?
is this you? What are you doing here?
Are you surprised to see me? Well, is that your new way of saying welcome after a long time?
I thought you were gone for good.
Come for good? I did. But I missed you. And we are on holidays. I said let me come and spend the holiday with you. What do you think? You're cool with it, right?
Robert, please. I'm now in marriage. Please. You need to leave. You need to leave, seriously.
Well, you don't want us to talk here. You want us to talk that out in your husband's office.
How dare you? Don't you ever threaten me with that again?
Hey, honey. My baby. Come on, what is it? Why are you moody?
Nothing, I'm fine.
No, you can't tell me you're fine, okay? With that look on your face, something's definitely wrong. Come on. Is there something you want to tell me?
I said I'm fine. I think it's a stress from work.
Listen. So tell me, who's stressing your wife? Who's that person that had the guts to stress my beautiful wife? Come on. Let me put you to rest tonight.
I'm not in the mood. Like I said, I'm stressed. Please, I just want to sleep. Please. Good night.
It's okay. It's alright. My love.
Mini, what is do you? Can you find a man again? What is do you in Akokasiani?
Auntie, my eyes are itching me.
Oko.
I mean itching.
No, but okay. Wait till I come in.
What is this?
You not knowing it? It is called a Otanjeli. Yes, sir. It is for any cock. If it is your eye is itching you, you put in it. If you put in it, it's stopping it. So, opening it. Open it, no. Open it. I am praying it is stopping it. I put in it very well on now. Why tearing the eye? Tear is coming out. Why? Oh!
Auntie, should I scratch it?
Leaving it. Open it like this. Come tebe. Open it. Good morning.
Daddy.
Yeah. Good evening. Mr. and Mrs. Thomas.
Teresa. What is my daughter doing here? And what are you applying in her eyes?
It is called Otanjele for itching men's eye.
Ota what?
Njele.
Otanjele. My daughter's eyes?
She's saying it's itching her, so I'm putting it opposite.
Need you come, listen.
It is very good for the eye.
Dad, it's not itching me.
It's not itching you anymore.
You see it?
Will you shut up your mouth? Now you listen to me. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from her. Because you are a bad influence on her. Stay away with your awful English.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence.
Honey, let's go.
Mini, good night.
Good night.
Oh, this house seen her been walk. Now I putting it inside her eye. The thing is stopping. Instead of to make he's shouting. And I'm so glad.
Somebody want finish.
Who's there? Come in.
Oh, hi, baby.
Tina.
Hi.
You shouldn't be doing this all the time.
Oh, baby. Come on. I brought sugar.
Thank you. Thank you, babe. But you shouldn't be here. You know that.
Why?
Because I am not interested. And as you can see, I am busy at the moment.
Baby, busy men do take breaks in between their jobs. Yes. And besides, you are the CEO. And every 24 hours of each day belongs to you. Yes. And nobody will dictate how you use it or not.
See, I understand. But you should remember that I am a married man. Okay?
Married man. Is that supposed to be the way you tell me thank you for bringing me lunch? Yes. Anyway, thank you very much. At least for making me look like a whore.
I am sorry if I sounded rude. I'm sorry if I got you upset, but it's just that I don't want to break my marriage vows. Stop it. Leave this very moment, please.
Teri go down, achikoro, ukurogana, achikoro. Teri go down, achikoro, Teri go down, achikoro. Teri go down, achikoro, Teri go down, achikoro, Teri go down, achikoro. Ipereka itimbi perente, ugura charagi white timbi perente. Achikoro, Teri go down, achikoro, Teri go down, achikoro, Teri go down, Teri. Touching it more. Why are you touching it? Why are you touching it? Why are you touching it? I asking you why you touching me.
Teri na.
I'm reporting you to Mr. and Mrs. Robinson now. They're sacking you as both. Why are you touching it?
I thought you didn't provoke like this. The person can't drive enter your car park. Now die you. See, you say, not be today I like you. From village I don't like you. If now God come bring you all this house so that we will mingle.
Shutting it. You know, I'm not shutting it because I telling you, Tete in a village, if it's this thing again, or the availability. I telling you before, you know, me see baka. Shutting it. What Brumanya, you hearing it?
See, Teri. Your engine go knock go. Your engine go knock go. See, as mechanic people, any engine when they not change the oil, and they drive her like that, they not change the oil. Before you go know, you go hear, go. You don't know.
Rate it knocking. You knowing this one, okay, man of God. Don't you know you carry burning oil like this, you putting inside the engine, knocking it fire. A causing accident, more idea that one. But because you just go there back, well, let me sweet waiting like this.
So me, I carry bad oil.
Now you know you need it. I catch a man everything, and now you know you need it. Serena.
Me bad oil.
Rhinos.
Me bad oil.
Don't trying it though. This thing you doing, I know why you're keeping quiet. I'm reporting you to Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. But they're sacking you. Don't try it though. Or drop availability. Awful. Very, very, very awful. Teri, go down. Teri, go down. Achikoro, Ukuroga. Hi. So this.
Oh baby, how are you? You're so tired.
What are you doing here? Eh? Do you want to put me into trouble, Robert? What is wrong with you?
No. Put you into trouble? No. A woman I love. How can I put you into trouble?
Robert, this is my matrimonial home. You shouldn't be here.
Well, I came to see you because I've missed you so much. And you kept me waiting.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Listen to me and listen very good. Whatever we had was in the past and still remain in the past. I'm now a married woman, Robert. I'm a married woman. Get that into your thick skull.
That's the sweetest part of it. I'm sure you cannot cheat on me as I demand that married you.
Robert, you are sick. You are sick, Robert.
No, I'm not sick, baby. I'm just obsessed by your love. Just like an aphrodisiac. And guess what? The feeling is so strong and unquenchable.
Robert, get out of this place this minute because my husband will not find it funny seeing you here. Now leave! Get out!
Calm down. Just, I need a moment with me, please. 30 minutes of your time. I'm okay.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I've heard you. You can go. I'll think about it.
You have my number. Call me anytime.
You can go. Leave. Get out.
Okay. Take care.
No, please, don't apply that with my daughter, okay?
No, I'm rubbing it. It is called Okuma. I'm rubbing it to go.
Please,
please allow her.
Please,
No, oh, fine. This is what we rub this back and walk. Getting yourself.
Teresa, I hope you know what you were doing. Huh?
Are you sure she'll be okay? Leaving here alone. Are you sure we're ready to take her to the hospital? Leaving her. Giving her some time. She's getting herself. Even if you go into the hospital, maybe tomorrow you know why you're going, but now this one will be making her to come in her. Leaving her, don't disturb her. Leaving her alone.
She's eyes are understanding.
She's still pretty.
I called you here to thank you for what you did yesterday. You see, I almost thought I was going to lose my daughter, but then you showed me your usefulness in this house. Thank you very much.
She's so beautifulness. Thank you. This one you're talking now, it is a good something.
Okay.
You know, in that time I bring in you, I thinking you argument it. Maybe you telling me not to rubbing it, but God touching your heart. You're not telling me I'm rubbing it away. So we're giving the glory to God, not the reading.
It's okay. It's okay.
My dear, thank you very well. Thank you very much. And seriously, I don't know how to thank you. You're just God sent. What would I have done, sweetheart?
I don't know.
Please, feel free to do whatever you want to do in this house. Express yourself. Take this house as your own home. Just feel at home.
Yeah, hi. I'm thanking you for this opportunity you're giving me for this house, to taking every way like my own. You know you one thing, when I come and you're telling me you having baby, I'm putting it in Abba. Because you know in the village, all these things, you putting it, you keeping it.
Wait a minute, honey. How could I? I was even thinking of asking her to leave this house. See, once again, I apologize for all the harsh words I used on you. Okay? You know what?
Sorry.
I am personally going to reward you for all that you've done.
Thank you very much.
No, I know you need to, because the license is to doing something good, not like thieving, not like lying or doing something bad. I'm using it very well.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Good girl.
Baby, Panam, you say you like Wahala. I get big Wahala. Baby, Panam. Wara for you, we never die. We never die. Teri Teri, I too fine. My Teri dance today. Today is a very happiness day for me. I tell you something.
For you to just come out and gonna give me.
I'm not giving like this. See, let me tell you something. My name is Happiness today.
Teri Teri, you don't change your name?
You see in this house, everything, including the cars, I get all of them. Madam giving me encouragement to doing anything I want to do.
Wait. They don't sell this house, give you.
No, not serenity. Madam giving me certification. Say I doing anything I want in this house. Yes. She's saying I doing, and she even saying she bringing somebody that is coming to come teaching me how to talk in that English, that Queen English you telling me.
Wait. How this thing there happen?
You know, I coming from village. I bringing Okuma, bringing Bobonishe, bringing Otanjera, all those things I know you need good for man body. As I bringing it, madam say I throw away in it. In banquet I keeping them. You reaching for night in mini. Come the sick me. She was doing jig bom. I bring in Okuma. I do what? I bring in the Okuma. As I bring in the Okuma, I rubbing it. I rubbing it, all her body, I rubbing it. Everywhere rubbing it. Before you know you need it, she getting herself. Madam was shouting. Everybody was shouting. They saying, Teri Teri, you're getting it for sense. I tell him, madam, because I cannot speak in English. No meaning I no getting a sense. I getting a sense.
So Teri, you tell me now say you be doctor. But wait to native doctor, English doctor, or jiggy doctor. Which kind of
You
doctor?
stupidity. I telling you something. Instead of you to carrying the good news inside the story, you're turning it to Igboegwu. I telling you Namu Boroya yesterday.
See, the thing now is say me I get jiggy too. I don't know whether you fit cure me for my room.
Where is doing you?
They do me jiggy. They do me jiggy. But now for inside my room, anytime I enter inside my room, if you go fit bring Okuma, go rob am.
That's stupidity.
Native or English doctor.
Shut it.
It's not good.
Touching me not.
Because they leave you because they don't give you the house license. Now me all house certificate, you all house license. I tell you this house now, I make I live you. I know where I live.
Teri!
Mr. and Mrs. Robinson.
I'm so happy that you finally found a common ground with Cletus.
Mr. Robinson, this gland is not common, you know. It is not because they're putting something like okuta and cement, everything in the gland.
It's okay, sweetie. Don't worry yourself. I was even worried that since you got here, you'll be communicating very well with him. Take this. Buy me airtime.
I buy in that color I buy in before for you.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
I buy in it too. Clap! Yaki, but locking it, rocking it.
Somebody want finish English. I Teri killing English. Teri don't have my English. I see the visa, he don't pass. I bet you got your head. Somebody just back English. Don't make that quality for the
This kakuri is taking time. You don't do nonsense. Or the year
all the way from the village, landing Teri, shaking out wasting English. Teri, Agulu wasting English. Say yes, somebody do what out.
Teri go down, Teri go down, Teri go down, Teri go down, Kuroma, Yelemendo, Papa, Teri go down, Achi, Teri go down, Achi. You will Teri, Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, I checking it. Almost done it. I come in there.
Somebody want kill English. Somebody want finish English. I Teri kill English. Teri don't have my English.
Hope you enjoy your food.
Yes, Dad.
That's my job. Honey? This meat tastes great. There's no need to mind the fact that you're enjoying it. The smile on your face.
Shaking it too.
Thank you. Be careful. It's okay. It's okay.
It has to. It's okay. Because it is a madam that is telling me that if I bring in juice before I open it, I should shake it very well.
You've done that enough.
Somebody want kill English. Somebody want finish English. I Teri slaughter English. Teri don't have my English. I see the visa, he don't pass. I bet you got your head. Somebody just back English. Don't go and shut it up.
Hey, Teresa.
Mr. and Mrs. Robinson.
Where are you going to? Have you eaten?
Because I serving you first. After I serving you, I eating my own. But already I putting it inside the plate. As I go in the kitchen now, I carrying it to my room for chopping it.
See, we are one family, okay?
Exactly.
Bring your meal. Join us here and eat, okay?
Jesus.
Yes.
It's okay, my dear. Go get your food, okay? I was about telling you that.
I bring it. I'm chopping everything you chopping.
Oh, yes.
Exactly.
Come on. You are a member of this family.
It's not Papa, it's what
It's
I'm
not taking one.
Follow the man when Sabi road, because the man when Sabi road, he go show you road. Well, clear to so.
You're not tired. You not tired with this your rhyme because this rhyme you ride, come village, ride big ride for me. If I dey remember all the rhyme you rhyme for me in the village, you giving me stomach ulcer. Now you want to rhyme another one, okay? Ebidokene. Because if you're not talking it, I'm going back to the kitchen because madam is giving me work to go do.
See, Teri, I take because of you buy 1 full tray of granite to show you how my heart they look for you.
Kratos, you know something? You are stupidity. You are awful. This is how you come into village telling me that that song that you singing for me, that Okpana song. You telling me that is your Sadebe song that is singing it. Come bringing it out. You right.
Which song will be that?
That's Okpana.
Hey, no. Hey, baby, Panam. Na Fino.
Fino gene. You think I don't know you need? Oh, you think I don't know you need? I know you need very well, though. I know you need that mini girl. What I can Swiss boy. She telling me already that the person that is singing the song is Tekinino, and she teaching me more how to sing it. I singing it. Anywhere that you go, I go follow you. They go, baby, I definitely. You say you rock wahala, I get big wahala, baby Panam. Anywhere that you go, I go follow you. They go, baby Panam. The love for you will never die, Teri, too fine, Teri. You see. Oh no, you're laughing up where? You're laughing already. You're not knowing I know you need it. You're not knowing I get an idea. You're writing to me no or writing another one.
Teri, but he never reached to take quarrel now. Eh? Not be small lie when I lie for you go kill this love.
Because you're right, you're not thinking I come into the city. When I telling you that I want him to come into the city, you tell me now I like to go. I have to come down this work. Now I'm catching all your rap. I'm catching all of them.
See.
Because what you need to telling me why you're calling me so that Kanje may be here before madam catching me.
Teri, see. True, see. You know, madam and Oga, they are enjoying themselves.
I know you need.
Get one fine girl.
Shorten it, you. Shorten it. Not talking it where I go hearing it in Anoya. Checking it. Ajodia. I don't want a summer and saga. I don't want Mr. and Mrs. Robinson to sacking me. Obra Sarakate, let me go back to my position. I know wanting it.
No, see, why are they talk now? So that we'll start our own. You know, I get my department. Oga, they get their department for you. So that. Come, we just inside now our own department of law.
Waiting I tell you, you stupidity. Awful. You are very awful, and I telling you before not to touching me. It cannot touch you. I telling you not to touch me. Now this thing other availability. It cannot touch. Sorry. Let me tell you something. Today is the first thing and the last thing you are touching me, because if you're touching it again, I tell him madam, and madam sacking you. Since you say you buy it for me, I carry it already.
Teri, you not agree? You still carry the granite? Teri? Which can't be this now? You not agree for Beku's matter? You still come collect the one when I take my money back? Not be wickedness with this. I go sleep with you for dream, oh. You are one in the room now. No sense.
Have some selections of mine. I think these can go. What do you think?
Robert, what is wrong with you? Are you stalking me? I will shout. You want me to shout? What is wrong with you? Leave me alone. I'm a married woman for crying out loud. Leave me the hell alone, Robert.
Well, let us go inside and check out the shoes that will match these shoes.
Somebody want damage English. Somebody want give English epilepsy. I say what I do. You bring it up, I take it. Also for oops, I mean oof. Tell you give English, I back up to with English, man. Tell you go down. What are you doing? What? I think the video was stuck in the village. Really?
So how is your daughter and the woman she's staying with at the city?
My sister, they are fine though. I was actually summoned there because of the issue between the woman and my daughter.
Someone?
Yeah, so.
Did she fight or something?
She did not fight this time. Just that the woman thought that Teresa can speak English fluently.
Hey.
There's no way.
But she should know that Teresa didn't go to school.
My sister, I forgot to tell the woman when she said she wanted to take Teresa to the town. Yeah? I supposed to explain everything to the woman.
Yes, ma'am.
She even threatened to send her back to me.
Oh. When I thought that she has at least gotten a good family that will take good care of her.
My sister, see me. Even my daughter is not helping the issue at all. I spoke with her. She told me totally that Beke is a serious thing, that she can't speak good English. It's not the woman's fault. It's my daughter's fault who failed to go to school. She has seen the importance of education.
I pray, oh, Jay, Rico, this woman, don't send this girl back, oh, eh? Please, don't send her back.
I begged her. If she later changed mind, like if she send her back to the village, then she will come back here and start fighting.
She will not send her back to the village. No.
I tried my best. I did.
No. She will not send her back to the village.
Ha! Hey.
Tina?
Good morning.
What are you doing here? Oh my God. I really don't know what to do now. If I should sack my secretary for making you get entrance into my office without my consent, or change my lock and keys.
Oh, you can do both. By giving me your spare keys to your new locks.
Yes.
I say. Now maybe you should have an aptitude test if you really want to work with me. I can make my HR make that happen.
Or perhaps you give me a necklace.
What if I come here with my wife?
What if? What if? That is what I get from you these days. What if? Huh? Say, baby, your wife is in the bank, working her ass out, and I think this is the better time for us to get.
Are you this jobless?
Oh, come on, young man, I'm an entrepreneur. Yes, and I have all the time in the world. So, get to work, because I'm going to work as a secretary today.
I have a secretary.
Oh, really? But you can make me your confidential secretary then.
Are you this stubborn?
I'm not stubborn. But you forgot to add the caring one.
Stop it. Stop at this very moment. Get out. Out!
Biko, I cooking inside. Why you calling me outside here? Eh? I cooking inside. Telling me why you calling me. Can you maybe hand because there is no a time.
Teri, see, since morning you just be busy. You know, say, if I even sight you, my temperature will come down small. Eh? You not even bring come front house. Now I decide to find you come now. Eh? I see you for dream. I see you for dream, eh? Your engine come knock. You come to shout, somebody help, somebody help, I need oil, I need oil. I can't rush you for the dream. Say, I can't rush you for the dream. Make I put oil now, wait. So I come quick come to tell you, say this thing. I don't see her for vision, you go knock.
Make it knock. Leave him make it knock. If you knock, no be your own knock. Repeat it like that. I'm telling you that this thing not availability. I'm telling you already. You come here telling me knock. Repeat it, make it knock. You better meat. I giving you 2 meat. You come in telling me you wanting 5 meat. You been a bad president. You wanting 5 meat.
Mimi. How are you? You don't do your homework. This is why they ride bicycle. You not go do homework.
Mini, you hungry?
Uncle, what are you doing here?
See, let me tell you, Mini. You know this Kratos, it is a very big thief. Because I catching him, I cooking in the kitchen, I going inside to go normal. As I coming out, I catching him, I carry the mini putting hand in the offering pot.
Uncle, to store your night.
No. I go look for cold water. I go look for cold water. As I ship the soup. My hand not the smell soup now. I want collect water.
I'll report you to my dad.
Reporting it not. Reporting it not because already I cautioning him. You're not doing it again. Because don't tell him. You know your father getting it in hunting temper.
But my dad said he should not be coming here. That he should stay at his own post.
But mistake. Everybody making mistake. Nobody perfect.
I'll report you to my dad.
Mini.
Shebi, you don't see. Shebi.
I trying to helping you. Okaroma that is telling me that need him.
Somebody want finish English. I Teri kill English. Teri know how much English.
Stop this. Stop. Don't like this.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's not what you think. It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
Something fishy
buy me airtime.
Good day, sir. Good day.
Yeah.
Good day. How may I help you?
I'm looking for number 10 Amafori Street.
Oh, sorry. This is number 9 Amafori Street.
Okay. But sorry, where is Amafori Street?
Well, I have no idea where that street is located, as you can see.
It's okay. Yeah. Alright. I'm sorry to...
No problem. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Maybe you just go out, right? When you get to the junction, just ask around.
Okay.
Huh? I hope you find your way.
Alright, thank you.
Sweetie, please, I can explain.
You can explain what? Hmm?
Okay.
You can explain the fact that my wife, my beautiful wife, is going back to this sexy house.
I was going to tell you that I forgot to take your thing to the laundry.
Oh, you came to pick them up yesterday. So everything is fine. So what are we waiting for? Shall we? Take you out and brag about baby.
What are you doing in my house? Where? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I've told you to stop coming to my house. What are you doing? To see me, but what? This is my husband's house. You want to put me to trouble? Okay? What is this? I don't need to come out. Don't leave me alone. I'm a married woman. Leave me alone.
I seen something. I see you for that gate with Moka Tarangane. People na Achoko Susuego or is susuri you or not already. Listen, I don't want you to tell anyone this. Hold your ears. Your 2 ears. Do you hear? Because don't give any hunger to somebody.
Hi! Jesus!
Come make I gist you. It's something that waiting I see. Something fishy is happening. See Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. Oh, and here comes a jolly good fella. Come make I tell you, yeah. Come make I gist you. It's something that waiting I see.
My friend, my friend.
For this house, why they tell you? Not only
Gratis. I miss you.
I miss you too. Where you go now? When you see me, you go see me.
Kaka, as my good friend, you be now.
You dey enjoy you.
I'm there inside.
You do. You do. See, as they pursue you, I can't beg Oga. They can't say if I beg again, say they go sack me job. Now I can't leave them.
No, my Marama Noga. I say, make I come see my friend. We will talk about now.
Okay. See, you get Ususu when they expect. Once you drop, I go call you. Yes, once you drop.
No deceive me now,
No.
No deceive me now, no. You know how you do your
No. I don't want to deceive you. You know, say they enter like jackpot. Once you drop, beam. I don't hammer. I will call you.
You get that? You get deceive person.
No. I know they deceive you. They go. Once you enter, I will call you. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah.
Take care, yeah? Okay. This uniform fits, yeah?
Thank you.
Take care.
Madam!
Hi. How are you?
Robert, I called you here to
apologize. Apology accepted. Can we move on, princess?
not the princess Robert. Not.
Do you mind reducing your voice to avoid unnecessary?
I have not saved more since I started work. So, I want you to manage this 2 million.
You want me to do what?
I want you to take this 2 million. Take it and leave me there. Leave me alone.
Are you for real? Come on, are you kidding me?
Listen, Robert. I know that the money is not so now. I beg you. Take it and leave me alone. Leave me and my family alone. Crying out loud, I'm a married woman. Leave me alone.
And you think money equates my love for you? Huh? I'm so disappointed and heartbroken. This man you so revere and wish to stick with. Can I ask you a question? Do you really know him?
He's the one who will go back when you left me. The father of my child. I want you to take my work. If you don't, I'm going to block every business. And the next time you approach me, I'll be calling the police. Am I clear?
Well, I will call him.
Does that mean you're accepting my offer?
I said I will call him. Then you know whether to stick with an unfaithful husband.
Teresa.
Teresa!
This time it is not messy. You coming back already, you're welcome. I'm bringing food because of the go lady.
Thank you. I want to ask you something, and I want you to be very honest with me.
Asking me? I'm not telling somebody anything. True to Chineke, I'm not talking it.
What are you talking about? Who said anything about you telling anybody anything? Have you seen my husband with any woman?
Yes.
Really?
Every day I see Oga with a woman. Tell me, and you leave the house, I see him there. You.
You're very stupid.
You're asking if I see Oga with a woman. You, man.
My friend, shut up. Am I not his wife? Aside me, have you seen him with another girl?
Mbao, I'm not seeing anything like that. I'm not seeing anything. I go to the number.
You can go. I'll ask Letus.
I'm bringing you chilling water.
Teri Teri, this your uniform where they sew for you so you can't be like pilotress. You know say me, I be pilot, CSO. You can't be pilotress.
As I'm sitting here, I just want him to rest, and if you're not wanting me to rest, then come back and then
No, wait to see. I get gist for you. Wait, go and drink tea.
I hoping it's not another ride you're coming to ride and give me, because if it's ride you're riding now, one of that check for why
Teri, not be small thing. Hey, I just sit down for you. Now go here. Go. Now say, who be that? I say, so. Nobody answer. Now come go peep for the peeping hole. Now come see person. Now open the gate. Now come see one fine auntie. Fine Sisi. He just come in. He say he find Oga. Hey, I come say, Oga no dey. He say, where he go? I say, I want to know. I open gate, he don't try come on. I don't know. But madam dey. You want see madam? He say no. And the way when he say no, I just know say the visit, not be genuine visit. The visit not dey born again at all.
Hi.
Not be born again visit.
It might be Ndenla Potao. See, this thing where you telling me, let me telling you is something. You're doing something good.
Yeah.
You're doing something good because if you're telling her an organ around, you're betraying organ. So as you're telling her that organ is not availability, or the matter like that.
But wait oh, ma ask you, why you be say organ get this kind fine wife? Come still go get check case for outside.
I beg you not asking me. You're asking me like you don't know how Umoh behaving. You people using to talking that one of the polygamy is. All polygamy is in our course because you go see a man, you go chopping no favors, you want to know for chopping no for you want to know chopping no you're looking for salad. That is it, you know.
I don't get that character. I don't be like that though. I don't be like that.
That one is your consignment. See, let me telling you something. Yes. You know, the other day, I catching madam with one boy. The boy, he tore like this. He black, you know, getting her for body like this.
The guy won't be like electrical.
No, no reaching like that, but you know, fatter. I catching them. If not that I catching them, they want him to like this, go like this.
Hey! Oh, now make it here now. Where I go that day?
You going out, you know. You going to buy shawarma for mini. That thing she chopping.
Okay. I go buy shawarma. So now when you come, they be want do this. They be want do.
I'm breaking your head now, respecting yourself. Because somebody can get a narrow susu. Stay in that place and saying it if you want to say something.
No, for example, not the cost.
I'm saying when I come in, I peep in, I see him there.
why you dey do like this?
If I leave you, you not move. If I leave you, you not move.
For example, they cause quarrel. For example, it dey cause quarrel.
You are right, Missy, because if I leave you, you run another rhyme for me. You say you rub me up where? Go fetching me water. Now, Madam, Irivu, Oga, Irivu, I am the Madam that is for you now. Go fetching me water.
Are they hungry?
You're not fetching me water.
Are they hungry?
Tell me you. Well, I'm not say bad, you know.
Please.
What is it? Why are you acting funny?
Nothing.
Tracy, talk to me. What is it?
David, are you cheating on me?
Oh, is that a joke or something? I don't understand.
Just answer the question. Are you cheating on me or not?
It sounds funny to me. I mean, how can you ask me such ridiculous question? So you not see me as a cheat after 7 years of marriage? Come on, Teri. I am disappointed. Truly I am.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, there will be no need for that, okay? See, there will be no need for your apologies. You've already labeled me a cheat, and the perfect reflection on your face is telling all the stories, okay? Well, thank you for everything. Thank you for not trusting me. Good night.
Sweetheart, don't be like that. Baby. Sweetie, I'm so sorry for accusing you falsely, okay? I'm so stressed and it's affecting my physical and emotional.
Well, Angel, how are you?
What is it?
Dad,
What's it?
there is something I didn't tell you about this.
What could that be?
We stole from our kitchen the other night, and on today's appointment, I apologize not to do it again.
For real?
Then I'm telling the truth. Remember I told you that people are lying to people.
Yes. Cletus! Cletus! Cletus!
Okay.
Come here.
Good morning, sir. This one, your face can't be like day and night.
Will you shut up? Cletus.
Sir?
I heard you took on my spot. How true is that?
Okay, where the person? Who entered this gate? Gone thief and me.
Shut up! Say, does it look like I'm joking with you?
No. From the look of your face, okay, you seriously talk am.
Good.
But I not take anything, no. Now what I go take?
Cletus, listen to me. Let me remind you that your place on this compound is your duty post and the gate. Okay? We had an agreement. It is signed that you will not go beyond that point. And now you have breached that contract.
Hey, okay, no. Okay, this bridge when you do so, and the contract, I not bridge it. In fact, I not add the bridge and the contract together.
Well, you can be saying whatever you want to say, but mind you, in case you don't know, 10% will be deducted from the salary. And that's fine. I'll get out.
Okay, 10%.
I said get out!
Now my money be that oh.
You have the guts to go to my wife's kitchen to steal? My dear, I know you're telling the truth. No, it's if you notice anything, just do not state it, okay? I'll get some chocolate later. Alright? Okay. Gently, okay? Roll it down the slope.
Men will always be men, I guess.
You know, last night he almost picked a quarrel with me for accusing him.
Oh, sweetie, that's all a pretense. I mean, do you expect him to admit cheating on you?
Oh God, I still can't believe this. I still can't believe that David is cheating on me.
Stop. I'm here for you. Okay? Stop. I'm here for you. Okay? I'm here for you. Stop.
Teri Teri. Hey.
Why are you laughing like this?
Hey! Teri na so. I swear. Even devil say devil dey shock for the kind of susu wey wan enter my hand now. And like say I not love you, I for now involve you for this my plan. For this osusu won't come. Now only me go just plan only me go collect my osusu. Then you go just dey this house. Just dey walk, dey collect your tertiary.
Chelo, I want to understand it. This Hamalin you are talking about that you want to join me inside, but touching body other involvement. Because if you touching body the involvement, I don't have availability. I'm telling you before. Because this is how you starting it. Before you know it, you wanting to touching me.
You don't start to. I go comot you for this plan. When I dey plan now, when this osusu won't want to console, so that you just take this house, you walk this your tertiary money, you just suffer for your me, I go just collect.
Commoting me not. You are telling me.
See, the osusu when won't come now, if you touch your hand, your spirit must leave you. Woo! Yes, so.
If you leaving me, I die now.
Ah no, your spirit go leave you now. Even waka go waka come back tell you. Ma put you on the plan.
Jesus!
Oga, madam. Now well done.
Mr. and Mrs. Lovinsons.
Yes.
Fleeting.
Yes, what is it?
You get wetin we wan tell una. Na make we show so.
We want to tell you something because if you watch everything you put money. Everything you put money. Before you pay me, I sending it to my mother, they buying big thing. But now, obele man like this, they carrying plenty money. So we thinking it that we needing more money.
Wetin she dey talk be say we wan make una increase our salary. NFF, NFA, MBA, and NYSC, they don't increase salary. So, more na increase our own salary.
Yes, if you, because already you giving us 30,000, but we wanting you to add in it 70,000.
Bam. To make it 100,000, that mean round figure. You correct.
Are you stupid? Are you guys okay?
Get out of this place, idiot! Look at them! How dare you stand before us to utter such rubbish from your mouth? Get out!
Gates.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Wait a minute. Hold on. Teresa, what do you mean by Ususu?
Oh, sweetie, don't mind her. She's just stupid. You know she's local. Shut up!
Okay, now me teach am Osusu. Yeah, when you pay us 100,000 now, they call am Osusu. But when the money small, na money. But when it come up, na Osusu.
So that is the thing I'm talking, madam. To adding it.
I've heard you. You know what? You guys can go.
No.
I'll discuss it with my husband.
No, honey. You know how I do my things. See, it will be better off we clear the air in their presence, okay? Listen to me, both of you. There is nothing to think about, period. I am not adding a dime to your money, okay?
What are you doing here? What do you mean?
No problem now. Titi now. Tina.
Hey. What's wrong with you?
Sweetie, what is Titi?
No.
You know when you come into calling me in the village, you're not asking her for Igbo. It is my English name.
Yes. I used to call her guy named Tina at times. If mind the sweetie.
You never told us. Sweetie, can you imagine? We are here saying Teresa. Her name is Tina too.
Yes, another. Teresa is a confirmation name. This one is baptismal name.
Yes.
So, Oga, na madam,
See. You know what? We should go think about it.
Yeah, we'll discuss.
Yes.
Oga.
We will think about it.
Oga, no problem.
Am I not your boss?
Yes.
So why would I lie?
Oga, madam, I want to beg you in something. Since I come into this house, I'm not eating that shawarma. I go taking that one inside house.
I don't know whatever you want.
Let's
Okay, make this thinking fast.
Go.
Make this thinking
You should eat the shawarma, finish it. Finish everything. Hey, it's funny. That's why I like them.
They are very funny. They are very funny.
Do me. You go under. I say do me. Okay. What is that?
How are you?
Fine.
What is wrong with you? You called me. I hope you didn't call me because you want to apologize. Because my mind is made up. Tomorrow, you and Teresa are leaving this house for good. Now get the gate.
Okay, Robby, wait to apologize. Now, wife when husband won't pursue so that they not go return in bright price. He not go apologize. I say man got there. He said tomorrow month they end. And I go like hold my money for bulk. And 100,000.
Can you imagine? Take a look at yourself. You see how senseless you are? Instead of you to concentrate on how to get a new job by tomorrow, you're standing before me reminding me of your salary. Come on, get out! Open the gate for me!
Okay, I go open no, but I go tell madam of that fine girl when they always find you come. Well, I know.
What's wrong with you? Keep your voice low, okay? See,
I go tell her no. I dey talk like woman.
This not threaten me, okay? See, I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do as your boss.
No problem. Okay. No problem. I go open the gate now. But I cannot forget say my money. I dey like make it be 500 naira, 100,000, so that I go many.
Whatever.
If I put am for pocket, may it swell up.
It's okay. 1,000, 200, 500. Just get the gate and keep quiet,
Okay.
okay?
I cannot forget though. I dey like 500 though.
Yeah.
I dey 500. Make it not be 1,000.
1,000, everything. Come in.
Baby. Why is your face like this?
I am not your baby, okay? Stop it! I'm not! Now you get this into your head. I am a married man. I have a wife!
I know, baby, but you're not the first man to have a girlfriend outside marriage.
I don't love you! I don't! Listen, Tina, listen to me. Yeah, it's true, you're pretty, you're beautiful. You're brilliant, you're everything a man needs in a woman, but then I want you to understand the fact that I am not single, I am married. Yes, I like you. I do. But believe me, there is a man out there searching, looking for your type every day. There's a man out there who loves you more than I. Please leave me alone. Please.
I love you.
Oh God. I love you. Sorry, Tina, you have to leave my office now. Leave. Please leave.
Teri, I. Teri, oh. I. Oh, Teri, oh. Somebody want killing me.
Aha. I hope you finished packing your things because you're leaving my house first thing tomorrow morning. I've already called your mother to tell her.
Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, why are you leaving? I cannot live like that.
Sorry? Do I need to remind you that you are in my house?
Mr. Robinson, no needing reminding me, but the thing is, you cannot chasing me like that. Although checking it in your beginning. What I do, allow me to stay.
You must leave my house. This is my house. I call the shots around here. First thing tomorrow morning, you're going.
I tell you, Organ. You thinking I'm not seeing you with that boy? I see you people though, and I sure Organ not knowing. I telling him.
Listen to me and listen very good. Don't dare me. Don't!
I stay in Ukwana. Mr. Robinson, I catch her hand. I get you now.
Sweetheart. You know, I promised Teri's mother that I will take good care of her.
Why are you driving out? I mean, do you want her to stay? Because I was actually thinking of saying stay, but I don't believe that will make you happy.
Sweetie, you know, I don't want it to seem like I'm the one making decisions in this house, but I think it would be very hard on us if we ask for them to leave.
No, this one's not if we replace her with another housemaid and let us do it another kidsman. But
since you're having pity for her already, then maybe we suggest she stays back and play to stood.
Sweetheart, you're such a darling, you know. I know that the decision is, it's very hard for you to make, but thank you. I think they deserve a second chance. Very darling.
Teresa give me love. Hey, Teri Teri baby, Panam.
Now you dey catch my jump bro.
Baby, Panam.
You say you like wahala.
Me?
I get a wahala.
Baby, Panam.
Anywhere that you go, I follow you go.
Baby, Panam.
My hating for you, you never die. You never die. Teri, I too fine.
Bagada.
I tell you dance to do.
Bagada.
Not like that time I knocking my head on the ground.
No.
I tapping it.
You know the kind of money you have made. If you fall that kind of fun, if you die, I will even collect your share.
No. You know say all these big man get the kind sick where they sick. If I follow it, it will say hypertension.
See,
it is a big man sickness because they're thinking money. See, let me tell you, I have you. So like pray. Just unkatawu you bala. Don't work. Now they are paying us 100,000 every month.
I said the Osusu will shock you. You know, she say, as you did that just now, your spirit just come on. Wagada. Small time, I go. If I, your spirit come on.
See, good though. So if I work in it 2 months, working 1 month, 2 months, I get in on 200,000. I get in more than some teachers. I get in money more than them.
Good damn. Not the rush. You the rush. If you see the plans they wanna get, you the rush. You get where the plan this plan goes more time. Oga them go dash us this house. They go pack go village.
You say that time when you talking this one, I think say I saw you're talking with the bee. But now I don't believe in you because I'm near this one. The one we're making them for giving us this place. If we're selling it, you're selling the other one, taking the money, but I'm selling this one.
See, even before I tell you which one the car you like, the other one I did and madam one because now the car. I'm the first plan.
If you walk in
the house,
I'm taking this two here. You're taking the other one.
And the house.
No, you're taking the smaller house, I'm taking the big house. Because
and
of the you telling me you're loving me. Okay, you're going to whisper it.
Let me get to the plan.
I go follow you going.
Because when we get the plan anywhere they go, like you won't follow me.
I love for you. You never die. You never die.
You ready? If I
watching it next, you. When you're too fine. Teri dance to you. Baby, I'm palam. It's a lack of wahala.
I'm telling you,
see. Look, you going inside.
Why you don't hand me now?
Keeping it inside, the big man could you go. See,
you never
going inside. To telling Oga and Madam this way. If we telling them, they agree we're getting this house. I just move. Oga, Mr. and Mrs. Lovin.
All the way full of village, landing Teri. Shaping out Winston English, Teri Teri. Aburu Winston English, say yes, so somebody do what out for. Oops, I mean, Ufu, Teri no the thief, Teri no good person. Teri the qua sharp, but behind the dish now. Teri go down, Apulota, Ukuroga, Teri am a hungry man on a water. Somebody want kill English, somebody want finish English, I tell you what I English, Teri don't hammer English, I see the misery don't pass, I beg you, not your head.